It was apparently a case of mistaken identity. CBS 2 reports that 50-year-old Alessandro Guzman Feliz, who was called Junior, was stabbed by members of a local gang following an altercation inside a bodega in the Belmont section of the Bronx Wednesday night. A relative spoke with CBS 2.
They were just saying the message that it wasn't for Junior. It was somebody else, but they confused them. And they said sorry, they apologized, and they sent the condolence, but it wasn't for them. But then, he's gone. That doesn't change anything.
His family says Junior dreamed of one day becoming an NYPD detective. He was a member of the NYPD Explorers, a program run by the department which provides young men and women with an introduction to a career in law enforcement. The Brooklyn Public Library held a robotics championship at the Grand Army Plaza branch yesterday. Library spokeswoman Fritzi Bittenheimer tells 1010 Wins the competition was won by a 6-member all-girls team from Gravesend.
Not only do they learn all this great, sort of scientific and robotic information that would be great for a career, they also learn how to work together, they work in teams, they learn how to solve problems. So it really is a way to learn both the technical and the soft skills that would be good for any career.
The winners ranged in age from 7 to 14. A 26-year-old man who got into a fight with a stylishly dressed woman on an F train was stabbed in the head with the woman's high-heel shoe. The incident happened just before 5 a.m. Friday. The Daily News reports the woman got off the train at the Delancey Street stop on the Lower East Side and ran off toward the Williamsburg Bridge. The victim was taken to Bellevue Hospital in stable condition.
All news, all the time. This is 1010 Wins.
At the Jeep Celebration event, it's time to celebrate the most awarded and best-selling SUV lineup, including the reimagined 2019 Jeep Cherokee, offering over 80 standard and available safety and security features and state-of-the-art technology like the available 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen. And with Cherokee's available all-new 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine with an impressive 31 mpg highway, nothing can stop you. Well-qualified returning FCA lessees get a low-mileage lease on the new 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Plus 4x4 with 29 mpg highway for $199 a month for 36 months with $29.99 due at signing. Tax, title, license extra. The Jeep SUV brand has received more awards over its lifetime than any other SUV brand based on total Q1 2018 SUV sales. EPA estimated front-wheel drive. Actual mileage may vary. Call 1-888-925-JEEP for details. Requires dealer permit use or lease to Chrysler Capital. Current lease must end by 7/1/19. 25-cent charge for each motor. 30,000 residency restrictions apply. Take delivery by 7/5. Jeep is a registered trademark of FCA US LLC.
Wins News Time 9:38. 1010 Wins Entertainment. Another Spider-Man movie is in the works. In a post on Instagram, Tom Holland says it will be called Far From Home.
I do know is I've got the new script. I'm super excited to read it, and it's gonna be great. So yeah, Spider-Man 2, let's do this.
Far From Home title reflects that this will be the first Spider-Man solo movie to take the wall crawler out of New York and put him in other parts of the world, including London. Season 2 of the Facebook series Strangers launched today, starring Zoe Zhao as Isabel, a newly single 20-something bisexual. And Zhao says the premiere was timed to coincide with today's Gay Pride March.
I love falling asleep to the sounds of a peaceful summer night, but it didn't used to be this peaceful. I used to wake up every night because of my husband's loud snoring. See, he had sleep apnea, and he was never able to get used to his CPAP machine. Thankfully, now there's a silent, mask-free sleep apnea treatment option keeping us together in the same room. It's called Inspire.
Inspire therapy works inside your body with your natural breathing process to treat sleep apnea. It delivers mild stimulation to keep your airway open, giving you and your partner the restful sleep you need together. Inspire is FDA approved and is currently offered at more than 150 leading medical centers across the country. Join a growing number of people treating their sleep apnea with Inspire. Visit InspireSleep.com to learn more, review important safety information, and to find a doctor who can help determine if Inspire is right for you. The freedom to sleep like everyone else is just a click away at InspireSleep.com. That's InspireSleep.com.
Only one news station has traffic and transit reports 24 hours a day. Your traffic station, 1010 Wins.
All news, all the time. This is 1010 Wins. You give us 22 minutes, we'll give you the world.
Good morning. It's 69 degrees at 9:40 on this Sunday, June 24th. I'm Mitch Lovey, and here's what's happening. President Trump held a rally in Las Vegas. Rodriguez, saying he's very strong on immigration. Didn't mention the policy to separate children from their families. The president also campaigned for Senator Dean Heller while coming up with a nickname for Heller's Democratic